My friend Mohammed lives in the Palestinian village Al-tira. Al-tira is a village that is situated between the wall and the Green Line. Next to Al-tira is the settlement of Beit Horon. The wall protects the settlers of Beit Horon. In between Al-tira and Beit Horon there is one big highway that is only in use for Jewish settlers. Next to Beit Horon there is a military base. From the hilltop of Al-tira you have a beautiful view over the village. There is about 1,000 inhabitants in Al-tira. Unfortunately, the story of Al-tira is a very sad story, stuck between the Green Line and the wall. Al-tira village can only be accessed by people who are originally from the village. At the checkpoints, the Israeli soldiers will stop everybody who does not have the Al-tira identity. We could enter as we are internationals. People from Al-tira village who marry somebody from outside the village have to move out and cannot bring their husbands and wives into the village.
Street line 443, you go to Tel Aviv. It's 10 minutes or 15 minutes from here to Tel Aviv. And this is our village. We are 1,000, just it. And we don't have any road to contact with any villages or there or here. So we are isolated from the world. And we contact with just an Israeli word. Sometimes they close it all the time with us. Just they open it just 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, or the night. That's it. And we contact with just Israel. And we told you are in Israel, but in the same time we don't have any ID number Israeli. So they go to get permission, but when they told them, they told no, you don't need it. In the same time you will be in Israeli. Anyway, so the wall you see there with it, they're not to protect any people because there is Israeli and we here and the roads here. If they want to protect, they must protect the road and the settlement, not just the settlement.
Recently, at the entrance of the village, the Israeli soldiers put a barrier. It will open only 3 hours a day, in the morning, the afternoon and the evening.